So we learn in the before of this class what is the HTML, right? And why use, and what is the work. So HTML stands for the hypertext markup language, right? The hypertext markup language, it is used to write a content for which one, for web. Means everything after, except of designing and functionality is called as a markup text. Just like a form using the HTML, right? And form, text, image, right, video, audio, everything whatever present on the web except of color, design, right? This all the things are be under the HTML. Why we use HTML? For creating a website. Means just like if I'm saying you the human skeleton, right? So human skeleton is what? Is the HTML, right? For creating a website of a website skeleton, right? We use HTML. Then after, what is the work of HTML? The work of HTML is creating and giving the platform, or creating a platform which is used to communicate of World Wide Web, right? All thing about the HTML. Then after we have a tag. In the tag we learn what is the tag. So tag is what? So tag is inside of angle bracket and close, slash, and h1 and then angle bracket. So this called as a tag. This is called as a tag. Tag is what? So tag will help us to printing our content on where. Yeah, correct Shweta, correct. So tag is what? So tag within the angle bracket, correct. And one more thing is what? Okay, what is the work of tag? So work of tag is to print or to creating to elementing which are used on the web for creating a website. It help to us. Just like if I am giving you live example, right? If I am giving you live example, so wait, I'll be show you, right? Wait. Now I'm giving an example where to practice all the things whatever you learned in the class from the W3. It is the best website or where to learn all the things in the deep. Yeah. So listen, if I'm giving you example here, if I'm giving you example, what is the HTML? What is the work of HTML? So this thing, let me change the color. Yeah. So this tutorial, right? Is written from the HTML. And where, how can we write? Using the tag, right? This all the things except color or design, all the things was written from using of HTML, correct? So these things, right? And one thing more question is here, ki what is the element? We also learn. Wait, anyone unmute your mic and please give an answer. What is the element? No, not only inside of tag. This all part means just like we are. I mean giving a h1, right? And I'm writing here something, right? And I am closing this one h1 and all the things. Is this all part? This all part is a element. Not only the inside of tag. Correct? And wait a few seconds. I'm open the chat in my device because I'm not able to watch your chat. I'm not able to read your chat. So give me a few seconds. If your Mac is not working, anything is not working now, you can simply chat on side of chat box. Okay. Now I am also on chat. Correct. Hmm. So what is the element? Element is the everything within the HTML tag and also HTML tag with all the part means including the HTML plus element means the content is called as a element, right? It's called as a what? Element. And one more thing is also more here. Here, what is the attribute? Attributes, right? Anyone? What is the attributes? We already learned this thing. Yeah, correct. The property of element or other than tag. We can say other than tag. Other than tag. Just like if I am giving you examples, I am giving you examples from here means that elements and attributes is here, right? So from if I'm giving taking an example, right? So this one, this href is a attribute, right? Attributes, right? And what is the work of attributes of href? We also learn what is the work of href. So for linking up pages means I want to link for this page, right? For this page where in my local project whatever we are creating, right? Whatever we are creating, I want to link that. So simply what we can do, I can write the code. I can write the means HTML code. uh, wait, I'm coming here. Yeah, I'm simply write the anchor tag, right? Anchor tag. And inside of anchor tag I will simply copy that tag means this website tag, sorry, website URL, and copy, and then I'm put it here, right? And for the understanding I can write here the name, means v3 3 school, right? And simply save it and go on the means our page, open it and come here. Look, here's the v3 school. Well, whenever we are clicking here, so you simply go to that web page. So basically work of href is what? For the linking of any website, right? And we have another one attribute is called as a src, right? Here is also src. So simply I'm copy this, control c, and put it here, and here I link that any images, images, right? And entered. And when I was entered, and then after that I'll be go here, I means this one, and watch, refresh it. Oh, look, so the image are added here. So we are not applied any css part, that's why you're looking like that, right? So if I applied here the some properties, means style properties, style, and with 100 p pixel, don't worry, we will be learn these things, right? Go and watch. So, look, this is your image, this is your image. So here I have the one thing is more okay, what is the, there are linking of href and src. So here we are using two url. First, absolute url, absolute url, and one is the relative url. So anyone give me the example or definition of absolute url and your relative url, please. Please give me the definition which we learn about this in the previous class, right? This is the basic thing. Whatever, when you will be going to write an interview now, definitely he will ask you, right? So listen, we all know here. So so absolute url is what? The external link which one hosted another web. Got it? External, this is talking about the external link which is hosted on another web, just like this w3 now. When I was click here, I will click here, then it will be so, wait, it will not show on yet, wait. So whenever we will be hover or click on this link in w3 school, so it will be jump to the another web, right? So this link means this one, this link means this one, right? This all link is called as a absolute, right? And if I'm talking about the relative url, right? So relative url is what is locally. So if I'm talking about the relative url, so it is the image tag have the relative url, right? Means that link which is locally hosted, or that link which is the linkage to the locally, means I want to link in this part as a image, so I can link as a relative, means that image are present in my local disk, right? So this is all the things we are studied, means in the last class. And also, how can we comment? So simply in the HTML we control and slash, this will comment you that line, right? This all the things we are attributes and empty elements and all the things we have studied a lot. And now we are going to learn the all the things, means what we are the learning for the formatting tag. This is the important for you, also regarding for the interview and also for your development. When we will going to create a web now, so definitely this will be help you, right? So now I'm going to one by one and use that all the things, means formatting tag, correct? So I'm simply copy that all the formatting tag, copy and using here control V and comment it. Okay, so now I'm simply writing any paragraph, right? Lower alt and Z, right? We're simply writing any lorem, right click and sorry view part, right? I want to bolt this part, means from here, right? So simply I can write here the bolt tag, right? Inside of bolt, whatever how many you want to bold that text, so you can simply copy, I mean, and paste it here, control V, control S, and then you go on web and you watch sorry you watch your content or not refresh it. No. So see, it's all part in the bolt. Okay, is there anything is a problem inside of our code? They bolt all the things, paragraph tag, right? Where I am inserting this paragraph? Oh, wait. I'm writing here div. Inside of div, I'm put this. Control S and go and refresh it. So see. So this is your text. And if you want, if you want to a stronger part of any element, oh, we are in the HR tag. HR tag is there. Is there? So why is look like that? Control X. Wait, I am inside of this. Putting here the previous page. I'm create a new page, new file, day 1 of 1 dot html. Sometimes getting the our browser is getting some problems. I'm putting here, right, and alt and Z, right? I want to only bold this content, right? And go like this one. So listen, watch, only this part, only this part is bold, remaining one are the normal text, right? Remaining one as a normal text. So formatting tag is used for your format your tag, right? It's used for the format your tag, means which it's like a design part, means css part, means I want to bold, I want to color of this, means so this all the things, right? So it will help you. So another is what, so we learn about the bold tag, means if you are using here the bold tag, so the text is way to bold. And another one is a similar properties for a strong tag, right? For a strong tag also, for the similar properties, I want to a strong the last this one, right? Last this one. So simply what I will be do, I will simply put it here in the strong tag and put that text inside of a strong tag, right? Inside of a strong tag, control V and control S. So look, also this is the strong tag, so both one are the similar look, right? So when we use the strong tag and when you use the bold tag, right? So I'll be give you the right when I will be use this. So when I will use, so important tag for the bold or any text, and when I want to important any point or any word, then we can use as a strong word. Both one are looking same, right? But but the according to browser it will be looking different, means when I was use any Microsoft Edge, then there are the different look of, right? So some browsers are the giving a same exam same look for those both one, right? But some browser are the looking at a different, right? When you are going to define that what is a strong port, a strong tag. So a strong tag is a formatting tag which is used for the important text, right? And another one is what, I tag. I tag and italic tag is a looking same, right? Just like a bold tag. So I want to apply wait I want to apply, here is this all, I want to apply, so italic tag, right? Italic tag and emphasize tag. So wait, one by one we are apply this, and simply go here, and I was use here the paragraph, and I write here the italic, right? And before of this I use italic tag, right? And close it angle bracket, I, yeah, it will work, and control S and save it. Oh, is taking inside of this. So look, this is the italic tag, and I want to look the one another paragraph, right? And inside of paragraph I use the emphasize tag, em tag. So simply write a em tag, but writing here the emphasized. So control S. Look, both ones are similar look, both one have the similar look, right? So anyone we write here the emphasize tag. Emphasize is used for the emphasizing, and italic used for the italic format, right? And another one is the what, mark and a small, right? So mark and a small. So if I'm writing here the paragraph and I writing here the mark tag, so mark, right? And I use here the mark tag, mark, control Z, simply a mark, control S, and listen. When we are going to highlight the any paragraph, right, or any paragraph inside of any word, so then we can use as a mark tag for the highlighting of that text, right? And another one is what, our a delete a small tag, right? This is used for the purpose of for giving the small size of any word up, right, or paragraph. So we write here the small, instead of writing here the small. Control S, and look here, this is the small size. I'm zooming the fully one, that's why you're looking that too, but this is a look of the small tag. And then after we have another one is what, the delete tag. So look, this is important for interview, so remember this tag is a delete tag, right? Delete, control S. So look, it's delete in the sense it's deleting and means striking on that content, right? So anyone have other issue on that? Let me confirm. Still now you are understand all the things. So chain, okay, okay. Correct. So this is the our formatting thing, and also we have a more 2 and 3 means inst and sub, right? Control C. If you are going to insert tag, using the insert tag, right, we can use any writing here the one tag is insert, and writing here the insert. Insert, sorry, insert is spelling is a mistake. Insert, control S. Listen, this is the underline tag. We are giving the underline, right? This is also an insert tag. And if you are going to write some data which are going to enter in the between, so we can use here the insert, simply en tag, right? And another one is what, the last I think, sorry, second one, this both one are used for the, I mean, sub and sub is used for the script text, means it is used for the uh, giving example, I mean, writing of any mathematical calculation and chemical calculation, a chemical formula, right? So if I am going to write, if I'm going to write the sub, and so simply I'm writing p x and sub, px and sub, right? And then after I'm writing here 2, right? Simply control S, and then look, this is the mathematical calculation, means linear algebra, like that. So when we will be going to describe this, this is used for the linear mathematical calculation representation by this, right? And then after we have the another one, so paragraph, and we can write just like x, I mean x and sub, then after I'm writing here 2, right? And control S. So look, this is just like a power, correct? Now it's just like a power. So when we will going to represent the mathematical terms and chemically representation, then it will be help you to show on that your web page and creating of this, right? So this is for the bold tag. Anything else, or those who are not able to understand this formatting tag? Here writing which one, formatting tag. Anyone, those who not understand this tag, em tag. So em tag is emphasize, man, right? It's emphasizing. So both italic and emphasizing are working as the same, but if we are talking about the his properties, so emphasize that all texts, right? Means I want to represent any writer name, right? Any book name or any honor name of any person, right? Then I will be use the emphasize strong tag. So the emphasize and italic tag. You watched, yeah, you watched and in the book, no? So some text as a emphasize and some text as a same, means any. default text as whatever he use, means just like I'm writing here this, right? Any person name means Kalam, but I'm also writing the some work of his and her some book of his, so just like a ignited man, ignited mind. So like that. So this text and this font and this font are the different from each other, right? So when we are going to write an ownership of any person or address of any person or anything like that, then we will be represented inside of emphasize tag and italic tag. Remember this one. Yeah. Yeah. Emphasize tag. Yeah, both one are the same. Means if you are talking about the U tag, oh, it's a great question. So U tag is also used for the underline. If I want to underline from here, means this lorem part, right? So I simply write here the U tag. Insert here inside of lorem control X and enter of this one here control V control S. So it will be also giving you same result. So listen, this the right. In the HTML5 have a something as a different, but it's used only for the, if you listen, if you are going to represent any Wikipedia, you're developing any Wikipedia, there you have other options. It means define the anyone ownership. Now I'm show you the live example. Wait, I'm use here the column, right? This is the Wikipedia. So look, so this the name is the same font, right? And when we are going to define the ownership of anything which have is developed by him, so I think here are used one thing where novels project. Yeah, look this font and this font both are different, differ from it. So emphasize the italic tag is used like that, but if you want to underline of any text, so you can use simply U tag or emphasize tag. Emphasize tag have the some different properties, right? When we will be understand this is a, here we can be use emphasize tag, so we will understand the later one, right? When we are going to understand the designing part and how can we create a philosophy website or any cultural website, there we will be understand these things. For beginning now, means for beginning or for beginner, don't be go there, right? We will be discussed later. We will be discussed one by one, means many things we have those we things we are discussing here now, means definitely you are going to in confused, right? So we have completed these things, means what the part is what the formatting tag, right? We have completed the formatting tag. So another part is what we have, another part is what, so we have the links part. So carefully watch here, right? What is a link tag inside of HTML? Okay, so I move to, wait, the page edition. I'm here taking this, don't bad. Okay, so first we will be understand the orally, I means theoretically. Sorry, link tag. So link tag, what Are you understand using this link keyword in the general meaning? You understand that? Yeah, yeah means correct. Attaching. Yeah, attaching something to the page or any. I mean, if you are talking about the normal means just thing. So attachment, attaching of anything, right? So I want to attach. This is our web. This is our web, right? I want to attach here the some means what some text or referral URL, right? So I simply give here, right, that keyword, and using the link we can add means URL. Using the URL we can be add here. So this is the part for the demonstration. So understand, then after we will be go there, right? So come to here. So here the one part is what link. So each one and link tag, right? So one is what we have the linking purpose. We have the a tag. A tag is this is called as a anchor tag, right? So we have a one attribute by defaultly attached by anchor tag is called as a href, right? And already we are they, I mean, in the last class we learn about this. The href is taking the URL. Which type of URL it will be take? So both one absolute and also relative URL, both, right? He is is taking the all tag, and also we have the one tag. It's called as a link tag. Link tag. So link tag will help you to linking any CSS part, and also we have a one tag. It's called as a script tag. Script src. So script src, what it will be do? It will be linking a JavaScript file, and also we have a one tag. It's called as a image, right? So this is all the from the link tag. What is my point or not? Link tag means what? Something attaching one to another, means one page to another page. So it's called as a link tag, right? So I want to link the some pages, means here I want to link the some pages, and which one is related to our Google page, right? Means this Wikipedia page. So simply copy it and linking here, I mean paste it here, and simply write the some font, anything you want to write, right? So a simply I am writing here Abdul Kalam, right? So whenever we will be over here, simply that jump to the this Wikipedia page, right? This all things are the linking. Look, this also link. This is the advanced. This is whenever hover here now, we are looking there the some image, some card is opened here, right? How can we do this? This one we will understand in the CSS, right? This is also part for the link. When we are hovering, that it will be showing something, right? This card. So how can we do this? Will be understand in the CSS and HTML, JavaScript also. Right? This all things. This all are the link, right? And so one is the, and I want to link here the CSS part, means href. right? So I was giving you the definition, means this href is will take the both one, right? href will be take the both one, means absolute url and relative url. You know well the definition of absolute url and relative means relative url. So if I am giving here the any path locally, right, for css, now I am creating one css file. Here I am creating one css file. So simply the day one of one dot css, and simply writing nothing, I am simply created, right? And come to here and link this css part, control s. So whatever we will be give the sorry, it will be not shown there, it will be developer side. So whatever we are style use inside of a link tag, that will be represent, I mean that will be effect on the main page, right? We will be understand on that later, means how can we add this css and what is the work of the in the css part, means upcoming Monday. And the same as it is for the href part, means sorry, src part. Okay, I have a one question, I have a one question. Did you understand here the link, here the script, right? Here the link and here the script. But for this link tag, he is using, I mean it is using the href, but for the script it is using the src. Why? Give me any reason. Any other? Any other? For link, for linking we are using the href, right? For script we are using the src, but both one are the linking to the our html, I mean css file or javascript file. So moral of a story is what, for using here href and here using src. So href maybe our style sheet, maybe our style sheet for taken from the other website, other web, mean just like I want to use a bootstrap, right? Did you know what is a bootstrap? So bootstrap is already coded on the dnd, right? So we are simply taking that tag here, I mean link here and paste it here for styling purpose. So a style is not only for the locally, it will be taken from the online or another website, from the another website. But script have a not other thing, it will be source, whatever you can write in the locally. That's why you are using a src. And also one thing is, you can go for your homework, you can go and learn this both one, why we use href for link tag and sr src for image. Tomorrow I will be ask you, so note down this and go and search anywhere you want, right? Noted this question. And if I am going to write link, so we can simply We can simply here put it the source path wherever the image are present. So simply write here this and image part and add it, and this image will be shown that your web, right? Refresh it and it will be showing here. Yeah, so this image is present here, correct? So we all the things covered inside of link tag, and the remaining things we will be learn later. Means going to when we are writing a code for the our project, means mini project, then and also the major project. So these things, and to means from Monday, I mean from Sunday, Saturday we have a class at 6:30 night, right? So before of this we will be discussed there. The main thing is what for project, means I will assign the task of project, right? One by one, means each one, but separately means how many are present here? So I think, yeah, no, same project, means just like I create a one page now, so some part for you, some part for other, or maybe if I am creating the two page, so one page for you, another one page for another one. Hmm. So I will give you design or requirement, right? I will give you design or requirement, you will write a code on that, right? So now move to that. So what is the topics are remaining? Okay, so already we discussed this one, and also discuss here the image tag, and one thing is the called as a favicon. We already discussed the page title also. Table is the remaining, right? Table is important, list is important, and we are the using for the HTML block. Media is the one thing. Okay, last one is the last now. Form for the Sunday, I mean, these two things we will be discussing means tomorrow, right? And this one for the Sunday, and now this one, and favicon for now, favicon, and page title we will already discuss. Now also we are giving you the, and also one thing is a block line, inline, and also div, and media for the Sunday. Three tag for the Sunday, two tag for the tomorrow for table and list, right? So understand. So what is the favicon? I want to move the favicon, right? Simply come to here on the Chrome, right? CSS, and here anyone who have the issue for watching screen. Okay, okay. So so first you log out, then come log in. Yeah. So I will take the favicon, right? From where to I will take. So here link part. Copy this. Control C. So favicon is what? I'm giving you example here, right? So here the written, the one thing is what, this one, W3, this icon, or this icon, it is by default, or this one. This is called as a favicon, right? This is called as a favicon, and this favicon linking by the link tag and adding by the link tag. With the help of link tag, we can be add the other favicon. So we can how many favicon, which type of favicon we can use, right? Means I can use here text also, means text means image also, not text, image also, right? Icon also, and in the image we need to as a png form, right? So basically it is what it is used for the indicating of our web page, right? Just like a logo. So the watch here, the w3 and w3 logo is what, only this w3. Same as it for the our Google Meet. For favicon, right? Favicon is what, for linking our logo on task, sorry, tab, in the tab. So who which macros which browser is supporting this? To Edge also support, Chrome also, means Edge also, Chrome also, Firefox, Opera and Safari. This main part is showing this favicon, right? They are the some summary, means icon, png, gif, jpg, svg. This all part from the media query is all part from the media. So all the things are be supported by this, and that browser will not be support now. They are simply showing that default or nothing here, right? So how can we add the our favicon? So wait, I'll be show you. So simply text here, writing in the top here, link, right? And here I will pass the some icon. Wait, I will pass here image part, this one, control s and go to there and watch. So look, here are now one image is here, right? In the document part, right? This is our document, and here the one icon is one. When if I will remove this, if I will be comment it, we comment it, then it's gone from here. Refresh it, and sorry, it's saved now or not saved. So look here, that favicon is wet, but if we uncomment this, uncomment this, so and look here, the favicon is present. So if you are adding here favicon, so we can use here simply link tag, right? This is your format for the link tag, right? Mm. And also how many are pending, we understand that we favicon, we page title, so we know well. So this is your page title, means if we are writing in the title now, I can write here the favicon, or simply write here the code code academy, simply write here and go and watch, and that we take code academy. This is your page title in the bar, right? And one after we have other HTML table for letter, HTML list for letter, or HTML block and HTML inline, right? Block and inline, we have a most important things we need to discuss this. And interview also you want to ask, so what is a block line and inline? So look, so block line element is what, which is in the one line. So I will demonstrate it. Wait, come to here, look, I'm writing here something, means h1 for block line, block and inline, control s, and simply write here the one text is p, paragraph, right? And also I'm writing here the p, and here writing hi, and control s and go here on the page, Wait, I want to something change in the code. We give me here the image I have now with 100 pixel. Come to it. Okay. So look, this who and high both one in the separate, right? Means both one are the separate paragraph. So block line or inline is what means. Inline means this one RB come inside of this means after of this means who then after high. This is called as a inline. And when we are talking about the block line means block line element, so those element or those element and those tag we are change the paragraph, those who change the paragraph called as a block line. So paragraph line is p tag is for the block line, div for the block line, image is image are the block line element. No, inline element. Why? After of anchor tag it will be present here. Sorry, anchor tag is the block line element or inline. So it will be after the after of this the image will be present here. So this one was attached with in the single line. So this is called as a inline. So inline or block level element is what, or inline or block level tag is what. So block level means element starting new line. Which one? Starting from the new line. It's called as a what? The starting from the new line, right? Or block level element is kept the distance between each other, right? So many example we have. So paragraph, we have a one tag is paragraph, one tag we have a paragraph div. It's called as a what? It's called as a block level element, right? So this is an example for your block level element. This all address, article, DL, form, nav, table, footer, UL, so everything whatever come inside of the block level element. This one block level element means what? If I'm writing here, right, anything and I use here the p key tag or anything, so that tag is discontinue this line or I start from the new line. So this is called as a block level element. Or inline is what? So inline is what? If I'm writing here something, right, and I'm writing here the one tag is a span. So after of this is not the break this line, means it will continue this line, continue this line. So this is called as a inline element. Inline element, the one at the one line. And block level element means what? That discontinue the line. So here giving you the some examples of block line element or for your inline element. So you can refer this one document. So this all are from the inline element. So you can try this your by self, right? And also one thing is what? Div. So before of this we have a one div before you. What is the work of div? So it is a by default is a block level element, right? And it is used for the grouping of content. So in your better practice, or if you are a better developer, so you need to group that word. Means I want to group this all one part. So simply, sorry, link now, simply we can copy it, control X, and writing here inside of div and inside of this, right? If I will apply here the anything, means color, sorry, style color, bg color, uh, anything we can write blue, aqua blue. So look here, so look there, this all are under the aqua blue color. So whatever color we have, right? So better practice is what you can write inside of div. If any group RB belongs to same things, same character, then we can do it a div, and inside of this we can be develop that. So div tag is used for the what, grouping of any same type of tag. Yeah, grouping of the content. So for today it's enough, right? Tomorrow we will be discuss more on the basis, means we have the pending topic is what, we have a pending topic is table. Table we have a pending, list we have a pending, forms we have a pending, and media we have a pending, and HTML API. This five topic is most and most important, right? So don't forget to join these five classes, right? And Monday onwards we will be moved to on CSS, right? So before of this you have a time to revision of this all things. And for the referring purpose I have also shared a your document in your group. And if you want to learn online, so you refer this W3 school. This is giving you a lot of content, right? You can use this one, right? Many thing it have, many thing it have. So based on my given topics, it is easy for you to access all the things and cover all the things, right? So use this one, right? Thank you for today.